Let me see what this pepper be about. I don't know if it's hot yet. I'm gonna find out. It's not that hot. It's a mild pepper pot.
Good, well, I throw mine away.
My dad said he threw his away. It's not hot. That's the oyster, smoked oyster. Everybody like iced oatmeal cookies. That'll be in the description below as well. Gotta love the oatmeal. You make sure you hang around so you get to see me prepare this delicious looking seafood meal. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Okay, so we tried something different today. We got some smoked oysters. My first time trying it, I ain't sure what it's gonna taste like, but we getting ready to find out. We got some swai, fried lightly with some Saison, you know, to give it that little extra little flavor. A little salt and pepper. Got some ramen noodles. We didn't use the chicken season pack, people, because that thing is full of sodium. So, you know, I put a little butter in the saucepan, in the skillet. And, you know, I added, you know, some Mrs. Dash to that. And just open a can of the smoked oysters and put it in there. Now, in this smoked oysters, we got some hot peppers. I think those hot. Were those peppers hot, Pop?
I didn't eat it.
My dad, he didn't eat the peppers, so I don't know what it tastes like, but we're going to find out. My dad already had his plate. I don't know. He tasted it before I did, but we're trying to figure out all the ingredients that was in that smoked oyster. The smoked oysters came in a can like sardines. So I just warmed it up and then put it over a bed of ramen noodles. You know, something different. You know, being creative, because you know we always do simple, easy, and affordable meals here, and we're in the kitchen. But we're going to try it out and see what it be like. I got these smoked oysters from the Dollar Tree. $1. Everything at the Dollar Tree is not $1. So if you go in there thinking you're just going to spend $5, you're going to come out probably spending $20. Okay? But anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give these smoked oysters a 4. The fried fish and the ramen noodles, they will always be 10. Is that about right, Pop?
That's right.
That's right. Somebody must like smoked oysters. I don't know. I got to find out where it's from. I ain't make no dessert today. I just got some oatmeal cookies. Everybody like iced oatmeal cookies. That'll be in the description below as well. Gotta love the oatmeal.